Hey guys, how to sell crypto and withdraw to a bank account on Kraken. So first of all, go ahead and hit trade at the bottom right. And you're gonna see a pop-up window, buy, sell, convert. I'm gonna select sell right here. And of course, select the crypto you want to sell. Let's say for example, Bitcoin, right? And I'm gonna enter the price, let's say $1, right? Or $1. And once I hit confirm, I'm gonna receive the $1 as cash. Next, if you want to withdraw to your bank account, what you're gonna do, you can just go back after you sell the crypto, right? I'm gonna go to my portfolio, scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna see the cash and stable coins. Go ahead to the US dollar or Canadian dollar, whatever. And then what you're gonna do, just go ahead and hit withdraw, right? And of course, enter the amount you want to withdraw, right? And add new bank account details if you haven't made, if you haven't withdrawn from Kraken, right? So I'm gonna hit add bank details, and I'm gonna press the Swift bank, right? Enter the name of your bank, of course, in the bank details, and you're gonna see, of course, the fees for withdrawing US dollar from Kraken to your bank account. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.